Hi guys, it's me AJ. So today we are working with PVC pipes. Yeah, so we had 1/2 inch and we had 3/4. And we did that. That was my first one. This was my first one. And it was kind of flop. So, but we actually took it to the next level. Yeah, these end caps, that one, we drilled holes in them, and we literally made a sprinkler. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed it, and I'm gonna show you how I built it in a second, okay? So I'll see you in the next clip. And okay, so we turned it off, and let me show you. Now, what we basically used, as I said, we used the end cap, which we drilled holes into it. And we just got a connector right here, and then a turner, and then we got a turn here. We got a turn, and just a long pipe, and it just ends there, and the water goes through there. And then the hose, we just attached something so I would get it the way I'm pulling it, so it was kind of shaking. Yeah, so it was another one of those adapters, and there's like this female to male piece, so a female goes in there and it turns it into a male, this piece, that black piece. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and see you next time. And I gotta set it down. 3, 2, 1.